So guys, welcome back to Bike Yours vlog. So guys, today actually we are going to tighten the change of my RC 200. So first we have to move this bike so I can get a little more space. A little bit so I can get more space. Here. Okay, that's it. So we are going to tighten this layer. As you guys can see, it's really loose. You see, it's making a much very noise. So first we are going to tighten the chain, and then we're going to clean the chain, and then we are going to loop the chain. Okay, so in this video I'm just showing you guys how to tighten the chain. So for tightening the chain of an RC we need 3 spanners, 22 spanner, 14 and 10. So let's begin. Okay, first we have to loose the net, the main net. Please, I'm dumb guys. I'm just dumb actually. I just using it by turning it to right. I'm really dumb always. So I have to just make it loose, that's it. And the thing is like the loose it here. I did. Okay, just loose it like that. Okay, and loose it to the side. Okay, that's it. Okay, now we need to the 10 spanner. So I to do it in the anti-clockwise actually. If you do it in the clockwise, the chain will get looser. If you do it in the anti-clockwise, chain will get tighter. Okay, you can see the chain is tightening, you see. Actually, how much we should tight is actually written here. I think you guys can see. It's 5.7 millimeters or 0.2 to 0.3 inches. It's written on this chain guard. So we have to measure it with a scale. So in the scale right here, it's pretty hot today. I'm really suffocating. Okay, just check it a little bit more. Is that okay guys? We have to put the scale here, then we have to measure. Okay, to tight is a little more. I think it's all right now. Okay, I think it's alright right now. I think I should need a little bit more. I think it's okay. Let loose a little bit. Think it's all right. Okay. You have tied this bolt. Tighten this. And the next important thing is what we have done to the left side should be done to the right side. Okay. Otherwise, the alignment of the bike will be completely lost, and like tire wearing on the single side, things could happen like that. So we have this thing to measure. We have to accurate and just do the same thing to right. Okay. Okay. As you can see, the last setting is on the stick. Just one second again. Okay. The same thing here. Oh. Just make sure it's matched for both sides. I think I need something to put my feet. It really hurts. Oh. Please. Please. Okay, now I can check thoroughly if it's working or not. Okay. Goes wrong. This is the most important part that you should consider. Oh, there's something of it down there. Okay. I have a very short memory, so I do. I think it's right now. Feels good, guys. Oh, fuck, my neck is paining. It is happy out. Hey, see the other side. It's so clean before. Okay. I think there's another idea we should check. Like just how many threads are left. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. the side. Just stick to the other side. You should. 1, 2, 6. Yes. That's how you know your measurements are correct and accurate. Okay, it's perfect. Just tighten things back. Come on. Tighten these things. Yes. It's the final step. Tie the wheel nut back. Just tighten it. Just tighten it. Fucked up. I just hit my. Fuck. It hurts, damn it. It hurts, guys. It hurts. Sorry, guys. I just got my knee injured a little bit. It was just a little bit pain. It's like tightening the wheel nut. We should tighten the wheel nut as much as we can. It is really important for the way it goes. If it loose, we may. If it goes off, you may die. As you guys know, that's enough. That's enough for today. So, I just tightened the chain for RC 200. That's it, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.